Hello friends, my name is Ramesh and you are watching the How to Master YouTube channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to check the Windows 10 experience score. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Well guys, there are three methods to check the Windows 10 experience score. The first method is by using the command prompt. The second is by using the Windows 10 PowerShell. And the third method is to check it with a free WinArrow WEI tool. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for the first method, you have to open up the start button menu, and in start menu you have to type command prompt. You have to right click it and you have to run it as administrator. After running it as administrator, you have to type a command which is WINSAT formal, FORMAL, and after entering this you have to press enter, and then it will check the Windows 10 assessment tool, and by this Windows 10 assessment tool it will collect all the information and it will show you the result. Okay guys, so it has completed the assessment and it has showed me the final results in an XML file, which we will be checking right now. For that we have to go to the PC, and then we have to go to the C drive, and then Windows, and then Performance, WinSat, Data Store, and here we have to check the today's date, which is this 14th of January 2020, and you can see the formal assessment. You have to run it in the Internet Explorer, and here you can see clearly all of the information. And here we have the CPU, the memory, the gaming, also the processor, and every information that we need, it will be in here. Okay, so next method is to check the Windows assessment score using the Windows PowerShell. For that you have to right click on the start button, and then you have to click on this Windows PowerShell, click on it, and you have to run it as administrator, as you can see here. Okay, and then here you will have to type a command which is get -cim instance, then space, and then win32 underscore WinSat, and press enter. And by pressing enter, it will immediately show you the performance score of your Windows. As you can see here, CPU score, D3D score, disk scores, everything it is showing you in the Windows PowerShell. Now head to the third and the final method of the video, and actually the experience score is by using a Windows Arrow WEI tool, which I already downloaded, but you will get the link in the description where you can easily download it. It will be in the zip file, and then in the zip file you will see wei.exe. Open it, and it will also show you immediately the score of your Windows 10 experience, actually the performance of your PC in the Windows 10. But if you want to rerun the assessment and check the score again, then you have to press on this rerun the assessment, and it will take some time, and it is saying that the screen might flash during the rating, and then it will show you the results. Okay guys, that was how to check the Windows 10 experience score in Windows 10. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe my channel if you want to watch more videos like this, and also don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my videos.